Parents, I am making this video to get you some information about how I will be teaching phonics to the pre-first and kindergarten students in the coming weeks, or so long as we are out of school. I have with me the materials that you should have picked up from your child's classroom. These are Riley's. And I'm going to go through all of this and give you a little bit of information about how I plan to record these videos and get them up on the YouTube channel so that you can watch them at your convenience and have your child get some new information. First and foremost, please do not let them get into these just yet. Let me introduce each letter as we go. I have packets for the next 4 letters, which would complete the alphabet. Everything that will come to you after that, if need be, is going to be uploaded into a PDF and sent out to you. So let's just go through the materials first. You have the packet of the remaining books that come with our Saxon program. Pig's Jet will be introduced next week when I do letter J. So this is the first one that they'll get. Please hang on to the rest. I will go through them as we can and as is needed with the program while we finish that up. The next is the packet of handwriting and phonics pages. Again, don't let them get a hold of this just yet. I will guide them through it as we go with the lessons. Next week will be letter J. I will go through and guide them through the proper handwriting formation for letter J, and then I will do the packet, well, the teaching of the packet to the best of my ability through a computer. The next thing you'll have are letter tiles. These will be used probably mostly just to help with alphabetizing, possibly spelling out some words. You can pop these out, put them in a baggie, and I hope to work that into my lessons moving forward. The last thing you have is a packet of handwriting practice. This is more extra practice, specifically for kiddos who might still be struggling a little bit with proper handwriting formation. You have the most recent report card available to you, and luckily we've had a chance to visit with all parents, so hopefully you know if your kiddo is someone who really needs the practice. It doesn't hurt anyone. My kid will be doing this, so spare time, just bust out a page or two if you can and really encourage them to have proper handwriting formation. I am going to each week post, my plan is a total of 4 videos, 2 of which will be lessons that your kiddo can watch where they will not need materials in front of them. I will be teaching just as I would in circle during the full classroom presentation of the lessons for each letter. The second 2 videos, I will be going through guiding them with the handwriting and through the phonics packet. I'm not sure how this is going to work. I suspect that as we do this, you will have to be there so that you can hit pause if need be, or backtrack in case your kiddo lost track of what I was doing. The nice thing is hopefully I can do it with a kindergartner in front of me and maybe even have her be a part of the video. Maybe that will help students to sit down and stay on track with what I'm teaching. And I will teach to the pace that would be expected as just at grade level kindergarten at this point. So you will have the chance to watch the videos at your convenience. Please, to the best of your ability, keep up each week with them. We are going to try to cover curriculum that is need to know from here on out. What we feel is most important to get students ready for the next stage of their education, whether that's a step into pre-first or first grade for next year. Everything that we're going to be doing is going to be at grade level. The ability to differentiate in this world is a lot, and we will do our best. However, I worry that we are just going to have to stick with what would be at grade level at this point. I will put together sort of an answer key for you, and maybe even some suggestions for how to differentiate. For example, inside the packet, there are a couple of pages with a number of blank spaces. At this point in kindergarten, we're typically giving consonant blends where I will say something like trip. Please write the consonant blend you hear at the beginning of trip, and they will be asked to write TR on the line. We might be giving spelling tests with words that they can sound out using letters that we have formally introduced thus far, and we also might give spelling tests for sight words. So those are the kinds of things that you can see on these pages, and this is really where we do most of our differentiating in the phonics for the kiddos who are ready to work with digraphs or silent E. We would give more challenging words here. For the kiddos who are still just trying to figure out the consonant blends or hearing the proper sound, we might just give sounds. So I will try to get some sort of information to you each week about how you can differentiate if you feel that your child is still working on letter sounds or consonant vowel consonant words like hot. You can have those options too. So we will do our best to get that to you each week before the week begins, so that hopefully you can figure out a way to work this in. I know this is a lot. I can relate. I'm doing it too. And even though this is my chosen field and I love teaching, it is challenging to teach your own child, especially from your home. So I commend all of you and thank you for the efforts that you've put forth and the time that you're taking with your kiddos. We appreciate you and we appreciate your support, and we hope to be getting as much thorough information to all of you as possible. Please do not hesitate to reach out, a phone call, a text message, a Zoom conference, or an email. We want to be able to help in any way we can. So thanks for listening. If there's anything else I can do to provide some more information to you, I am happy to do that. And I look forward to starting the formal lessons and getting your kiddos involved in phonics again. So thanks for listening. Bye.